My name is Egu. I have a degree in political science and I worked in sales as well. So I've always wanted to be in tech and I came in through the self-taught route, right? And this all came in at the perfect time and not for the project itself, right? But for the mentorship that it actually brings. So I built a P5 sketch to embedder. It helps users embed their sketches and it supports different mode. It simplifies the way sketches are embedded. It supports all different mode, the instant, global, and also the iframe mode. The tool that I use, so I use the React.js for dynamic user interface, Code Mirror for the styling, and also Netlify to deploy and host. So for everyone that's worked on the P5 editor, the next best thing after that is for you to say get a shareable link that you can use to share your sketch. Say you want to post it on, you want to put it on your website or feature on blog posts, or you want to say share to your friends and all that. The next best thing is that link to use, and that is what I aim to achieve in this project to get the link. So what I wanted to do is to generate a direct code link, right, using iframe. I wanted to use the SEL doc attribute, it's an iframe attribute. I had a lot of roadblocks working with that. For example, browser didn't allow more than 2 MB. What of whatever you're embedding in an iframe, say you're adding JSS, JavaScript, and even assets. Then we had security blockers as well. So we're embedding like an entire HTML into the iframe. So it had a lot of blockers, whitelist, which very interesting was the whitelist actually. So website like WordPress, right? So they have a list of websites that can work, that can embed on their platform. Not everybody can embed. So I got on a call with Keith and my mentors were, and we went the CodePen route, right? So CodePen has a preview features. What it does is that you can send an entire front-end code into their live code editor. And with that, you can get a shareable link. You can edit the sketch as well. I have already pasted sketch that we're going to be working with. So here we're up. So it's a the UI is very easy to navigate, right? So like I said, we have already pasted sketch that we're using here. So you can preview your sketches and it comes up here, whichever way you want it. Yeah, so you can preview your sketch. It's regardless of the platform that you want to embed. So you go to say you want to embed WordPress, you can read through the recommended way to embed there as well. So you want to work with how to work on CodePen. It's very detailed, very easy. And we recommend using the multi-sketch. So multi-sketch mode, yeah, so it's recommended. So you just click on the mode you want to use, iframe, whichever mode you can copy as well. And just click on open in CodePen. And voila, we're in CodePen already. But to get a unique link, so you need to save your sketch, right? So when you save it or fork it, it gives you a unique link that you can use. So with that link, right at the bottom here, you click on embed. And after you click on embed, it takes you to their embedding environment, whichever method you want to embed. WordPress, HTML, body recommended HTML. Also, HTML here on CodePen is very much recommended. And you click your link, go to CDPen. Just this link alone, you can use it to embed everywhere. So for example, on WordPress, you will have here already in WordPress, you can view your sketch whichever way you want to view it, on whichever platform. Like I said, on the tool, you have different recommended way, different platform, and the way to view it. So, yeah. So going forward, which I'm very much excited about, we voted to the CodePen route because we had blocker using the direct link that will aim for initial. So going for, sorry, my speaking clear. But going click on, if they click on generate code or generate embed, it gives them, it comes up with a shareable link that they can use and they'll get a link like this on the platform, like what I have here down here, Firebase, or using Firebase to host. They get just one single link. When they click on generate, with that link, you can share your embed or your sketch to whichever platform you want to share and to who you want to share with. I am very much thankful to Dora. Dora is more than a mentor to me. Like I said, just what to experience going to it, but it was a blast for me. And I'm so thankful to Dora for that experience. Kate, I'm also thankful to Kate. And she came on board. Amy and Rachel, so I am very thankful. So of course, it's open source, and we have a lot to do in future, like I mentioned earlier. If you want to check out the sketch, the host, the Netlify link is here, and also GitHub as well. I'm looking forward to a lot of contributors. And also, if you have questions, I am very much open via my email. Thank you.